Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to do something very simple. It came from the last live show that I did, and I mentioned to you that I think you would have a really good meal if you did this. Now, I have some potatoes here that I cut it in half, cut side down on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And then I baked it at 375 for about 30 minutes. I'm putting this in my bowl. That goes in first. The next thing is, now this is just salad. My greens, I just put some tomatoes, red cabbage, carrots, and I think that's pretty much it. And I am just gonna take this and drop it right on the top of my potatoes. And then put on your favorite dressing. Now mine has grown to be the Engine2 Oil-Free Dressing that I made in the last live show. And it's gotten pretty thick. You can see that, it's pretty thick. And I'm just gonna drizzle it all over the top of these two potato halves. The last thing you do, that I like to do, you decide. I take my chopped scallions and I just reach in and drop them all over the top. Because if you know anything about Berta J, she loves herself some onions and scallions. The next thing is, and the last, is you're gonna take this. This is your wonderful meal. You're gonna take it, oh, except not with a spoon, with a knife fork, and cut it again. Put some salad on that, and make sure I have some goodies on there. And stick a hunk of potato in your mouth and eat. Make this at home, or when you go out, you can make it at home. And when you go out to eat at a restaurant and they can serve you a baked potato, get your baked potato and get salad and put your dressing on the salad and throw it on there. Now you can put the dressing on first, put the dressing on second. It's up to you. As long as the dressing gets on there, it'll help you to kind of make it like a hot potato salad. And that, my dear troopers, is the end of this video. So, with that said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it. And please don't forget to leave some comments below. Tell me what you think. Easy peasy, a meal for either lunch or dinner, okay? So until next time, bye for now.